Imagine diving 2 miles down into the Pacific Ocean. The journey is not for the faint-hearted. As you descend, you leave behind the familiar world of light and warmth. The sunlight fades as you descend. The water grows colder and darker. You feel the temperature drop, and the light above becomes a distant memory. It's almost freezing, and the world is pitch black. The darkness is so complete it feels like you've entered another realm. Then suddenly you see it, a glowing landscape like something from another planet. Bioluminescent organisms light up the darkness, creating an otherworldly scene. Plumes of superheated water erupt from the seafloor. These are hydrothermal vents. They release minerals and heat, creating a unique environment. Hydrothermal vents are home to some of the strangest life forms on Earth. Creatures here have adapted to survive in extreme conditions. The pressure here is immense. It's over 200 times the pressure we experience on land. The weight of the water above is almost unimaginable. Yet, despite the darkness, the cold, and the crushing pressure, life finds a way. Life thrives in these harsh conditions, showcasing the incredible adaptability of nature. In 1977, scientists made an incredible discovery near the Galapagos Islands. They were using the submersible Alvin to explore the deep ocean floor. They found hydrothermal vents teeming with life, a sight that was both unexpected and astonishing. This was a shock. Until then, everyone thought life depended on sunlight. The discovery challenged everything scientists knew about the requirements for life. But there's no sunlight this deep in the ocean. The darkness is absolute and the pressure is immense. These vents spew out water that can reach over 750 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a unique and extreme environment. The water is rich in minerals like sulfur and iron, which are essential for the unique forms of life found here. It's an incredibly harsh environment with conditions that would be lethal to most known life forms. Yet entire ecosystems thrive here, showcasing an incredible diversity of life forms adapted to these extreme conditions. The discovery of hydrothermal vents changed our understanding of life itself, opening up new possibilities for where life might exist beyond Earth. So how does life survive without sunlight? The answer is chemosynthesis. Bacteria at hydrothermal vents have a special ability. They can use chemicals from the vent water, like hydrogen sulfide, to make energy. These bacteria are the foundation of the vent ecosystem. They support a web of life that includes creatures straight out of a science fiction film. Giant tube worms, blind crabs, and ghostly shrimp all call this alien world home. One of the most iconic creatures of the vent is the giant tube worm. These remarkable organisms thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These worms can grow over 8 feet tall, towering like underwater skyscrapers in the dark depths of the ocean. They have no mouths or stomachs, which is quite unusual for any living creature. Instead, they rely on bacteria that live inside them. These bacteria convert the chemicals from the vent into nutrients that the worms can use. The bacteria provide food, and the worms give them a safe place to live. This symbiotic relationship is a perfect example of nature's ingenuity. Then there are the vent crabs, another fascinating resident of the hydrothermal vent ecosystem. These scavengers feast on whatever they can find, including dead animals and bacteria. They play a crucial role in the vent community by keeping it clean. Vent shrimp are another fascinating species. They are specially adapted to survive in the extreme conditions of the vents. They have a special heat-sensing organ on their backs that helps them navigate the vent's scalding waters, allowing them to find the perfect spot to thrive. Hydrothermal vents are a reminder that life is tougher than we think. They show us that life can adapt to even the most extreme conditions. They offer a glimpse into the possibility of life on other planets. The unique conditions of the vents are similar to what we might find on other celestial bodies, and they highlight the importance of protecting our oceans and the amazing creatures that live in them. The more we learn about these incredible ecosystems, the more we realize how vital they are to the health of our planet.